All right, hey, Mike McGroarty here from Mike'sBackyardNursery.com. Today I'm going to show you, I've got a bunch of Japanese maples here. Right now I've got them healed in, and people are always, what do you mean healed in? Well, this is exactly what I mean. I dug these things. Here, let's take a little tour and we'll show them what we got. That's butterfly, those are a couple of butterflies. Some of these, I don't even remember the variety, which is not good, but this is lion's head. There's another butterfly, but we've got all kinds of them around here. So I dug these back in, I might have even dug some in February, I don't remember. I just got it because you can't dig them once they leaf out. So you have to get all your digging done before they leaf out. So when they start looking like this, digging season is over. But these, I dug them out and then I just healed them into this pile of compost. And now I'm gonna take them out of there and I'm actually gonna put a root ball on them. Let's go all the way around. So we got all kinds of, there's some really nice couple little lion's head here. A lot of different varieties. This is kind of what's left of these right here are actually peaches and cream. These are both really nice. A couple more lion's head. So we'll head over here. I'm gonna grab what I need. We're gonna work right here, Pam. All right, so burlap, pinning nails, shovel. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dig into this pile, about like that. Make a hole that looks like that. Grab it. And see, these are healed in, so they come right out. And I'm not damaging any roots. Whoops, I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm gonna take this burlap. I'm gonna lay it in here like this. I'm gonna put a little bit of soil in the bottom of the burlap. About like that. Get this thing kind of, yeah, there we go. Take a little bit of a pocket down there. I'm gonna set my tree in there, just like that. And then I'm gonna backfill the roots. Like that. I'm going to take the opposite corners of the burlap, pull it up a little bit snug, make my first tie like that. So now I'm working with the opposite corners again. Now this one I'm going to pull it up about as tight as my old hands will get it. And then I'm going to start shaping and pinning this ball. These are they're pinning nails. They look like a regular nail, but they got a little bit of a rounded head, which is a little bit easier on your fingers. So I'm sticking the nail in. I'm going to catch it and then bend it over. Whoops, and that didn't hold for nothing. Let's do it down here. We'll catch that, bend it over. This is probably unnecessary, but I'll put one more there. And I'm going to turn it, pat the ball down a little bit. So now I'm going to kind of again, catching the burlap, and then use the nail for leverage, and then I'm going to push it in pretty much horizontal. Same thing here, push it down. I don't want it to come back out. Well, it did, and I don't like that because it's easy to get poked when you're handling the ball. probably one more side here. Whoops. And we'll get one more here just to tighten it up. And that's actually pretty good. So just about like that. So that's how you put a ball on a tree after it's been dug. Most of the time when you're digging something, you're going to put the ball on while you're digging it. But I had these in really weird places in the nursery. They were up against a fence and stuff. So it was getting a ball on them wasn't an easy thing. The other thing is this burlap is treated, but it's still biodegradable. So I didn't want to put the ball on them until we're ready to sell them, because I want the burlap to last as long as it will before the bottom starts to fall out. So anyway, I'm Mike McGroarty from Mike's Backyard Nursery. I'll put this on my website, and then below the video I'll put a link to that page. That way because I answer questions on Mike's Backyard Nursery every single day. I don't go to YouTube and answer questions. I know you guys want me to, but there are only so many hours in the day and I just can't do it. So if you get to go to the website and any page, any article at all, you can post a comment and I'll see it and I'll respond to it. So again, that's mikesbackyardnursery.com.